Nowadays, you hardly see playgrounds with that mosaic tiling. So I would pick out all these iconic designs on the playground itself, and then I convert it to a miniature version. Hi, I'm Cheryl and I'm a paper artist from Lulu Paper Studio. Today I'll teach you how to build your own mini dragon playground with the DBS red packets. The tools that I'm using for the 3D paper craft are pen knife, scissors, ruler, toothpick, PVA white glue. The first step would be to cut open the red packet. When you're looking at the artwork itself, you will see that there are two different colored lines. One of them is a black solid line, the other one is a dotted red line. Use your scissors or your pen knife to cut the black solid lines. You would have two pieces right now. One would be the dragon playground and one would be the base on which you will be placing the dragon playground. Place your ruler on the red dotted line and then use a toothpick to drag it along the red lines so that you will create a crease that would help you in folding the pieces that need to be glued. Use a little bit of white glue and apply it onto the tabs with the black dot. Fold the tabs so that they are glued nicely. They would eventually form a rectangular base for your dragon playground. Once the base is dry, add glue onto the tabs with the black dot that you see on the dragon playground. Align it so it sits nicely in the center of the base. If you want to personalize your dragon playground, what you can do is perhaps print out different images of yourselves, your friends or families, or things that you want to place around the playground and add it onto your miniature 3D paper sculpture. Don't throw out your cutouts. You can recycle it together with any used festive packets at the recycling bins at a DBS or POSB branch. When you're opening up your red packets and being able to build it with your own hands, I hope that you will be reminded of a sense of play that you might have forgotten. You can create anything out of whatever you have in your house. Everything is a possibility for your imagination.